Hello then, I'm the bowler-hatted turner. What I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to sharpen my spindle roughing gouge. First thing I'm going to do is think about health and safety. I'm going to put my safety glasses on, I'm going to change the cameras, and then we're going to sharpen up a tool. So I'm using a cheap grinder with a grey wheel. This wheel is about 20mm wide, if that. We start the machine up, place the tool on my homemade bed, and we just rotate round and back again. Once more, rotate round and back again. What I'm trying to do is keep this as square as possible across here and across here. Sometimes the angles go out a little bit, but if you work hard enough at them, you can keep it there. I'm going to change cameras now to show you from the other angle. And that's all there is to it. Turn the machine off. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's of some use to you. See you again.